Good morning, it's me again, Says, here in Lady Enchantress Garden and Travel. Today we will be talking about this one amazing plant. I hope it zooms in. This is called blue butterfly tea, or some people actually call this as like clitoria tea, but I have the blue petal variety. Now today this is about how you can use this and how amazing and easy to grow flowers like this. So I think this is one of the most coolest plant I ever had, and if you're new to gardening, I suggest you plant these guys right here. So if you are not new to my channel, I showed you already like how to plant this flower, and now I'm gonna be picking a few. It's so easy. They bloom only like once a day, and then tomorrow it will be like a close like this one, so they just bloom like in one day. And today I'll be sharing to you, I'll put some pictures here that I made a blue rice. You can also make a blue rice out of this one. I'll link it down below, or maybe here in this section right here. You can also make a warm tea right with this. Right now I think I've made so far with this plant like a few hot or warm tea. This is also used as medicinal tea for anxiety, for depression. There are some studies that shows that, so that's pretty cool. You can also spice up your citrus drink because it changes color because of the acidity, and it's kind of cool to introduce your friends if you have children who's gonna picky with their juice, and it has some nutritional value. And lastly, you can also use this as aside from the drinks that you have, something maybe as a decoration, not really a decoration, but as a food additional ingredient to your salad. So you have lettuce, you have tomatoes, no, not potatoes, tomatoes, and all this in your greens, and you can incorporate, because this is like kind of edible. So flavor is not really that much distinct, but it's a little crunchy, and it gives a little additional texture to your salad. So now I'll be picking this fresh flowers, and in terms of care, there's really no fuss. They like acidic soil, and I just give them the usual organic plant food I have, like kitchen leftover and FAA and what have you, FFJ, fermented fruit juice, organic of course. Everything in my garden, the most probably they share the same amount of plant food. I don't call them fertilizer, but plant food. Like this passion fruit you've seen already like for ages. They've been here like for 3 years, but I'm not cutting them off because you see it's still flowering, and from time to time I harvest passion fruit from here. So passion fruit juice maybe together with a blue butterfly juice or tea would be, I think, really awesome. So additional information for this one, this can be grown in container. These are of course in the rooftop garden. This is apparently in container, and you can train them to crawl on the ground or here to climb in the lawn cage. So it's very easy to grow, very nutritional, very versatile, and this is great as well as an ornamental plant if you can have it in your gate or as a fence around your property. So I hope you learned a little bit about blue butterfly tea or pigeon wings flower. There's a lot of name for this tree, and right now I'm just really having fun with the flowers together with the rest of the things that I can do with it. So link for the blue rice would be up here or down there at the description box. I miss you guys, and I hope you can click subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time. If you have questions or if you want to say something, don't hesitate to have it there at the comment section below. Alright, so I wish you all the best. I'll catch you guys next time. Bye!